Hello, how is everyone? Welcome to Love to Journey with Jackie. Every time I create a video, I'll share something I learned with you that hopefully will encourage you to get started on your journey too. Start creating videos now so that you'll have content even before starting your YouTube channel. That's something that I wish I had done because if I had, I would be further along. This is my second video and I've already started my channel. For this video, we journeyed to Home Depot and had fun selecting flowers for containers. We live in Texas, and lately the temperature has been in the 90s and low hundreds. So the flowers have to be able to thrive in extreme heat. My front yard faces east, and the backyard faces west. So the front yard gets that morning sun, and the backyard gets that afternoon sun. It gets the full sunlight during the hottest part of the day. Although we do get an opportunity to sit out back in the early part of the morning when it's cooler, it is completely covered with full, hot, scorching sunlight by about 10:30 or 11, or maybe even sooner. Because of the heat, we chose vinca and purslane, orange croissandras, and these are annuals. Croissandras can be perennials or annuals depending on where they're planted. Purslanes and vinca will survive the heat for hours. There was a sign up at Home Depot that stated that both of these flowers will survive in 6 hours of direct sunlight. They're beautiful flowers, but they won't come back next year because they're annuals. However, last year they lasted until about mid-November, and we thought that was fantastic, so we got a chance to enjoy them for a longer period of time than we had anticipated. The vincas that we selected are red, white, and rose, and they'll grow to approximately 14 inches tall and about 18 inches wide. The purslanes that we selected are orange, and they have succulent leaves, and they love the sun. When that full sun hits the flowers pop open, and it is so amazing to watch because later on during the day, as the sun passes over, the flowers start to close up again. And I looked out there last night, and the flowers were completely closed. We also bought begonias and cacti. They're perennials. Cacti thrive in heat, but some cacti can't take that direct sunlight. They might turn yellow. They will survive for many, many years. And I'll move them inside during the winter time and just put them in an area where they can get plenty of light. We put the begonias on the front porch because they like shade and morning sun. The begonias will last us for about 4 months, but they will come back every year because they are perennials. I'll move the croissandras to the front. Right now they're in the back, but I'll move them to the front also because they can't take that direct sunlight either. After we planted them and we waited a while, and in the afternoon we noticed that the flowers were starting to droop. But these are great indoor flowers too, so I can either move them to the morning shade or move them to the inside. Having flowers outdoors it's inviting. It invites you to come outside. When we can, we spend early mornings sitting out there sipping coffee or juice or just talking and enjoying the flowers. We'll get a chance to enjoy them all summer and hopefully into the fall again. I tried to make a video of the whole planting process, but it didn't go well because I attached my camera to a shoulder harness and accidentally turned the video off while trying to adjust the camera. However, as you can see, we planted them successfully. If you plant flowers, let us know in the comments below what you planted and why. And thank you for watching. We'll see you later. Bye for now. But before you go, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. And set your mobile app for notifications when I upload a new video.